I have over 1,000 people counting on me in Port-au-Prince, Haiti, in 5 displaced sites to get their ID cards or get service from their government. And I'm failing them. It just confirms something that we all knew. A Haitian voice is voiceless, really, whether we're here in Canada or elsewhere in the world, or especially on the ground in Haiti. So here's the issue. ONI is an organization that is supposed to help Haitians get ID cards. The USAID has contributed money to help them digitize their process. Yeah, it's failing and it's not working. And the reason why it's not working is because paper work in Haiti is big business. So my people don't have the money to pay government officials to actually get their ID cards. They don't have the connection. We cannot blame the crisis for what's happening because we know that there were private actors who are able to get ONI agents to come on site to help their employees. The only problem is the vulnerable people in the population, they don't get that kind of courtesy.